Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to set up an account on Starling Bank. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is we need to open up any browser that we have right now and also make sure that you have your phone nearby. Now first things first, open up any browser, go to starlingbank.com, and from here we need to locate the apply application button, which is usually located at the top right of your screen. So go ahead and click on the apply now button here, and once you click on it, it's going to load up another page wherein you need to enter a few things. So the first thing that you have to enter here is you pick the type of account you would like to open. So currently we have personal account, business account, and sole trader account. Now in this case, choose the type of account that you want to open up. Now in this case, I want to choose personal account here and hit on continue. Now from here, it's going to ask you, are you new to Starling or do you already use the app? Now if you're a new customer, choose the new customer here, or if you already have an account, choose existing customer here. But for now, I'm going to use a new customer. Now once we hit on that, just click on continue, and from here, it's going to ask you your first name. So go ahead and enter your first name here, hit on continue, and next thing is going to ask you to enter your phone number here. Now, if you enter a valid phone number here, it's going to redirect you to another page wherein you need to scan the QR code. So make sure that you have your phone nearby and a QR code should appear here. Just scan that, and from then, it's going to open up the application and install it in your mobile phone. Now once it's actually installed, it's going to continue the application itself, and you might need to provide a few information about yourself as well as your information like your address or even your IDs to verify your identity, and from then just answer all the necessary details, and from then you should be able to basically apply for a Starling Bank account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.